everyone, it's me Riena. It's going to be another busy day ahead. Wanna know how a supermom tackle those early morning house chores before the loved one even open their eyes? It's going to be inspiring, probably a bit magical. So let's get started. That was intense. Nothing sounds better than a cup of coffee. Gotta wait for this water to boil again. Lately, I've been thinking, wouldn't it be awesome to have a water purifier that delivers perfect water temperature instantly? Hot tea in the morning, ice cold lemonade in the afternoon, all at the touch of a button. No more waiting for cold drinks or wasting energy heating water. Time to find the perfect solution. Let's see what's out there. Seems like SK Magic has the water purifier that I need.
Hi, I'm Dayang, SK Magic Sales Agent. How can I assist you today?
Hi Dayang, I'm interested in Tankless water purifiers temperature settings for my young children. Can you share more details?
Sure, Hyper Water Purifier comes with 7 different temperature settings. Plus, it's super hygienic with a stainless steel waterway and even has a built-in UV system that zaps bacteria every 2 hours.
7 water temperature?
Yes, we have ambient, cold and 5 different hot water temperature for your needs. One of it is infant mode, suitable for baby formula.
Oh! What color options do you have for the Hyper Water Purifier?
We have 3 stylish choices to complement any kitchen. First up, silver, rose gold and our latest addition trendy, deep green.
This deep green color fits my kitchen perfectly. Is that color available now?
Absolutely, that's a fantastic choice. Let me guide you through the order process right away.
Hi guys, today is the installation day for my SK Magic Hyper Water Purifier. Sounds like they're here.
Hello, I'm Faiz. I'm SK Magic Engineer. I'm here today to install your Hyper Water Purifier.
Oh, hi Faiz. Come in. Finally, my SK Magic Hyper Water Purifier is here and I'm so excited to get started. No more waiting time for the water to boil. The Hyper Water allows me to choose the perfect temperature and I can even control the amount of water dispensed. Let's see how it works. Hyper Water Purifier. This infant setting dispenses water at a safe and gentle 50 degrees, perfect for making formula without the need for constant temperature checks. Need slightly warmer or cooler water? This water purifier also has options for 45 and 55 degrees, ideal for preparing baby food. Oh, here's a cool feature. This water purifier also let me select the ideal water volume with a single tap. From a small 120 ml portion to a full liter, it's all conveniently pre-programmed. See? Easy and convenient. Have you ever worried about whether your family's drinking water is truly clean? Traditional tank type water purifiers have a major drawback. The stored water can become a breeding ground for bacteria if not used quickly. The water could become dirty, contaminated, or even unsafe. But Hyper Water Purifier's tankless design eliminates this risk entirely. Water is filtered and dispensed instantly, ensuring every drop you drink is safe and clean. Plus, the Hyper Water Purifier features UV Sterilization with harmless UVC waves embedded in the faucet. This quick and effective process reduces the presence of harmful bacteria and viruses in the water. It only takes 10 minutes and automatically repeats every 2 hours for complete peace of mind. Oh, the Hyper Water Purifiers delivers pure healthy water for the whole family. Ever wonder how Hyper Water Purifiers deliver such a clean water? It's all thanks to the Nanotech filtration system. The first layer, the sediment filter, acts as a shield, removing rust, sand, and the other large particles that can cloud your water. Next up, the carbon block filter takes over, eliminating unpleasant odors and taste caused by chlorine and other chemicals. Finally, the star of the show, the Nanotech PAC filter. This powerhouse removes harmful bacteria and viruses while preserving all the essential minerals your family needs for good health. Yup, that's the filter magic work! The Hyper Water Purifier not only provides clean water, but it's also earned a lot of awards. This includes the CES Innovation Award, Red Dot Design Award, IDEA International Design Excellence Awards, and more. But one of the most special is the prestigious Superior Taste Award for its delicious water. Maybe it's just me, but it does seem tastier. Hey! Since installing the Hyper Water Purifier, my little one has been drinking water more often. That's because of the child-friendly button at the bottom of the dispenser. It's perfect for their small hands and dispenses safe ambient temperature water with just a click. Finally finished cooking. Regular maintenance of a water purifier is essential for safe water. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to make it easier? Thankfully, SK Magic's Magic Care Service provides a convenient solution with scheduled cleanings and filter replacement every 2 or 4 months. They replace filters to maintain optimal water quality, thoroughly sterilize everything to ensure hygiene, and even replace any worn parts for free. This keeps my Hyper Water Purifier running smoothly and give me peace of mind. And that's a wrap on my video. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my life and learned a bit about SK Magic Hyper Water Purifier. It's a lifesaver for busy moms like me. If you are looking for a convenient and hygienic water filtration solution, SK Magic's Hyper Water Purifier is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye! Adieu! Bye!
SK Magic.